Hey everybody, it's day 9. Let's see what the egg looks like right now. See, it's moving around right there. That dark spot right there.
Wow.
It's moving around. That's crazy. It looks like a little bird right there, but it's a little chicken. Look at that. It took us a long time to get those chickens.
What took us long?
To get the chickens.
Yeah.
Not super long, but it took a while. So,
Look at it go.
look at it, man. That's crazy. My little brother here, he's cute. Well, he's looking at the egg right now, and he's being pretty good. So, yep, it's a good one. See you guys. Bye.